You ever wanted to animate stickman gore like this? Well, I don't care. I'll teach you anyways. Open your flipaclip and create a project. Select 24 frames per second cause why not? Here's a quick preview of the animation. Basically, we have two stickmen, black and red. The black runs into the red stickman and gets humbled. Now back to the tutorial. I'll just show a quick time-lapse of the action scenes. We'll animate the gore together after. Basically, the black stick figure bends down then whooshes forward very fast into the hands of red stickman. This whole time-lapse is basically just animating the action scene, so I won't spend so much time on it. Well, I can't take forever since you came here to learn how to animate gore.
1 hour later.
Now I'm done with the animation. Now I'll teach you how I animate the blood. On a new layer, let's animate blood splashing out his head as he gets humbled. At the point of impact, let's animate the blood splashing. A trick here is to imagine the blood flying out his head and neck. I'm not using thick red for the blood, so that explains the blood color. You can follow along with the time lapse and watch how I animate the blood. I pick a point on the head and use that as an origin in animating the blood flying out. I'm adding blood in all frames on black stickman's neck as his head flies off. On this frame as his back and neck hits the ground, blood splashes out to the ground. So that's what I'm animating. Notice how I'm animating blood on ones. It makes the animation smoother. On a new layer, I'll draw the flesh and bone on the head. After adding sound effects and a little editing, we should have this as a result. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and checking out other videos as well. And while you're here, help get the second channel to 500 subscribers.